If you want every link, website, and web page to open in Google Chrome automatically, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on your device in just a few simple steps. This is useful if Chrome is your favorite browser and you want a smoother, faster browsing experience every time you click a link. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Settings app. You can usually do this from the Start menu, the taskbar, or by searching for Settings on your device. Once Settings opens, look for the Apps section and click on it. Inside Apps, you'll see a menu with different app-related options. From there, select Default Apps. This is the area that controls which app opens specific file types, link types, and web pages. Now scroll through the list until you find the web browser setting. This is the option that decides which browser opens links by default. When you find it, click on the browser that is currently set as your default. A list of available browsers will appear, and this is where you can choose a different one. From the list, select Google Chrome. As soon as you choose Chrome, the change is applied instantly, so there's no extra save button or confirmation step needed. From that point on, links and websites should open in Chrome instead of your previous browser. If you ever want to change it again later, you can come back to the same default apps menu and repeat the process. And that's it. You've successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.